Okay, so that's the background to the story, and the next slide shows us the section that they asked for in the question paper. So the question 2 for a paper 1 was, how does the writer use language here to show us what Benjamin felt about Boxer being taken away? And that's for 8 marks. It's a short section of the text, and the key here is they want to know how he uses language, but also we want to know what Benjamin, if you remember with the donkey, what he felt about Boxer being taken away. So that's the key focus of it. What's the feelings about Benjamin feeling about Boxer being taken away? Remember, it's 8 marks, so they're not expecting you to write forever on it, but they are expecting some well-developed points. So this is the section that you'll see in the bit that you've got as an extract. However, Benjamin and Clover could only be with Boxer after working hours, and it was in the middle of the day when the van came to take him away. The animals were all at work, weeding turnips under the supervision of a pig, when they were astonished to see Benjamin come galloping from the direction of the farm buildings, braying at the top of his voice. It was the first time that they had ever seen Benjamin excited. Indeed, it was the first time that anyone had ever seen him gallop. "Quick, quick," he shouted. "Come at once. They're taking Boxer away." Without waiting for orders from the pigs, the animals broke off work and raced back to the farm buildings. Sure enough, there in the yard was a large closed van drawn by 2 horses with lettering on its side, and a sly-looking man in a low-crowned bowler hat sitting on the driver's seat. And Boxer's stall was empty. So there's the extract, and now we're required to pick out how the writer uses language to show how Benjamin felt about Boxer being taken away. And what I've done here is just highlighted some points that we might wish to pick out. So, for example, I've put here that they've used a strong adjective, the word astonished, to emphasise. They've used powerful verbs for urgency and action, like galloping and braying. Repetition for emphasis. It was the first time that they'd ever seen Benjamin excited. The first time that anyone had ever seen him gallop. That's repetition. Also repetition in quick and quick. But I've used that for a different thing. Quick, quick, exclamations, exclamation mark. Quick, quick, come at once. They're taking Boxer away. Urgency, excitement, panic, if you like. And the last little bit I've picked out here is the last sentence for a sentence structure. And Boxer's stall was empty. The short sentence stands on its own, very stark and very cold, to show you that he's been taken away. So once you've picked out all of those, that's when you start to put your thoughts together, and that's when you start to put your own response to it together. And I've put a response here, which is one that they would expect to be used in this, or the sort of thing that they would expect to be used. And you'll be able to see that on your slides. So there's your extract for you to see.